Hello guys, this is how to fix Roblox error 403. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the video. So the first step would be at the search bar right at the bottom, you would type in percentage, app data percentage. And then once it opens up the files, let's go ahead and just enlarge that. So once it opens up the files, we're going to click on app data right at the top. And then we're going to click on local. So we're going to look for the Roblox file in the local folder. Let's go ahead and scroll down till we find Roblox. Then we're going to go ahead and delete that entire file. And that's perfect, just like that. Let's just wait for it to go ahead and delete completely. And then the second step would be to open up settings. Let's go ahead and open up settings. Then in the network and internet, we're going to open up VPN settings. Just ensure that you disconnected or you disabled your VPN. Just like that. Let's make sure it is disconnected and it is disabled. And then the next step would be to go ahead and download the Roblox app again. So you can either go ahead and download it from roblox.com, or you can download it from the Microsoft Store. I chose to go with the Microsoft Store option. So you'll search for Roblox and then you'll go ahead and get the app, click on get. So that'll automatically start a download. So that's gonna go ahead and download. So once it is done downloading, you'll go ahead and open up the firewall settings. So in the search bar, you will type in firewall. Once you get to this page, you will click on the allow option there, that one right there. Then you're gonna scroll down to find the program, the application Roblox. Let's go ahead and find it right there. And then we just need to ensure that it is ticked off on both sides right there. And that is the final step. That should clear the Roblox 403 error. So it is that quick and it is that easy. I hope all the information in this video has been helpful, and thank you again for watching.